Hi everyone, it's always nice to have good looking people and extremely talented in our studios here on News 9. Thank you so much Satinder and Simi for joining us for a chat. अच्छा तो होशियार सिंह के बारे में हम बात कर लेते हैं. अपना अरस्तु क्या होता है पहले तो मुझे ये जानना है. I'm very curious about it.
Arastu, actually, this is the Persian name for Aristotle.
Okay.
The Greek philosopher, scientist, whoever you may consider it, was in 300 BC. He happened, and I am very fascinated towards ancient history and mythology and buildings, etc., etc. So this name attracts me a lot. So when the person came to me with the script, it was very befitting for this name. I said, "Shall we name it this?" And he said, "You are the boss." I said, "Okay, if I am." Then we, titled the film Apna Rastu. When after that, the director and the production team and the writer, they went into the rural, domestic, the interior locations for shooting in Punjab. And people were asking, "What are you searching for?" They said that we are shooting a film. And what is the film? The Apna Rastu. And they said, like you did. And they said, ये कोई पेड़ है ये कोई गांव है
ये क्या है
yeah then everybody came to me, the 11 people. Yeah sir. And once the only director came and I said, Uday, don't worry, it will evolve with time. And I just pushed him back.
it will grow on me.
Then 6 people came with the producers and writer and some. And then I said, okay, this is a serious question now. Then I said, okay, no, I'm not the boss now. So yeah, I said whatever. So the conclusion was like we have to put something domestic, relative in front of it, and they put Hoshiar Singh in front of it. And luckily we both were on the same page.
Yeah.
But we were defeated massively
So
by the team.
Yeah, I'm sorry to cut you off. So what happened? मुझे पता नहीं था ये चेंज के बारे में. I didn't know. मैंने कुछ नहीं सी पता. And मैं मुहूर्त शॉट पे पहुंची. एंड वहाँ पर नाम था होशियार सिंह. मैं कहा मैं गलत जगह तो नहीं आ गई. अपना रास्तों के लिए नहीं आई थी. तो मैं तो उस दिन फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मीटिंग सरताज सर एंड आई एम ऑल इमोशनल, आई एम रीचिंग, आई एम लाइक नहीं ये तो वो नाम था. काफी अच्छा इंप्रेशन छोड़ा उस दिन मैंने.
The first impression was very
But
good.
then I was reading the title, I was very curious कि चलो होशियार सिंह मुझे समझ में, but then
जी.
bracket में अपना अरस्तु
अपना अरस्तु, yeah.
No,
So
that
is
was
why
like
wanted to ask you.
I want to keep at least in brackets.
Yeah.
अच्छा कि कहीं पे तो
कहीं तो
रहूं.
Actually, we
थोड़ा
both loved that name.
Yeah.
हमें काफी पसंद है अपना रस्तु क्योंकि
तो हमने एक
intriguing
अभी
है.
अभी जो हमारा गाना आएगा, the last one after the film release on 9th, I titled it Avalla Rastu. So at least I
That's the least we can do.
Yeah.
I'll come back to that song question. हाँ वो मुझे that is second thing that I'm curious about. But Simi, tell us more about your character क्योंकि चल मेरा पुत is a very famous franchise with multiple chapters. This time, what got you on board with Hoshiar Singh?
I think the message in itself, if you saw the trailer, सर का मुझे last line जो सर बोलते हैं मुझे बहुत पसंद है, जिसमें बोलते हैं कि उस पढ़ाई का मेरे लिए कोई मतलब नहीं है जो असल जिंदगी में काम ना आए. तो मतलब उसका तो वैसे ही तो एक बुकिश नॉलेज, एक रट्टा मारा हुआ और 100 आउट ऑफ 100 लिए हुए वर्सेस एक प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज जो बच्चा कहीं भी जाके कभी भी अप्लाई कर सकता है और समझ सकता है. तो मुझे मैसेज ने बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट किया था. एंड जब मुझे स्टोरी सुनाई गई थी तो मैं हमेशा, ये मेरा नॉर्मल ही मतलब प्रोसेस है कि मैं हमेशा वन लाइनर सुनती हूँ, स्टोरी सुनती हूँ और पूछती हूँ कि मैसेज क्या है, मुझे ये बताइए. इफ देयर इज नो मैसेज इन द मूवी आई डोंट डू इट. सो दैट्स माय मतलब बहुत सीधा हिसाब है. Go to mantra.
That's very nice. But it's going to be satirical. Apart from that, the message, like Simi has already mentioned, is very strong because you are playing character of somebody who has been denied education, but then you re-enter the system to make couple of changes. How are you exactly going to blend that strong message with comedy? Audience might get confused that it is a hard touching topic, but then how? Because I'm also curious about it.
I think that is honestly totally on the writer and the director. And Jagdeep Vading is the writer of the movie and Uday has directed it. And उनका part ज़्यादा था इस चीज़ पे and they have done it beautifully. Beautifully, absolutely beautifully. And बाकी सर के inputs बहुत रहते थे क्योंकि शुरू से meetings and sittings बहुत ज़्यादा. तो I think वो
Actually, we did the previous film Shire. The same writer and director was on board on the Shire. So we have certain amount of understanding and flexibilities and knowing each other's demeanor and nuances, etc., etc. So, but the good thing and the thing that amazed me also, that this particular character, and they were slightly reluctant that will it go well, or sometimes there were chances that you can slip out of the character, because this is very tedious for me. In my
Yeah.
entire filmology, this is the most toughest character I ever have done, but this is the most brilliant performance I ever have done also.
Yes.
So
Yes, that is
there's a
true.
dimension of another
I feel
Sophia
it's his best.
for that. Yeah.
That's really interesting. Makes me curious. But again, I would like to ask you, since it's a Punjabi film, how exactly are you going to land it with the Hindi audience? Because we are anyways looking at amalgamation of different regional films, right? We are looking at South Indian film. We have seen many Punjabi films also doing very well with the Hindi audience. How exactly are you going to land this project with the North Belt?
आई थिंक इसका सबसे बड़ा जो बेनिफिट है, एडवांटेज है, वो है रिलेटेबिलिटी, बिकॉज एवरीवन इज अ स्टूडेंट और हैज बिन अ स्टूडेंट और हैज किड्स नाउ.
Absolutely.
सो वो इतना बेस ही इतना क्लियर है ना कि मतलब कोई भी रिलेट कर पाएगा. कुछ ऐसी तो चीज ही नहीं है इसमें. स्कूल हर कोई, सबने स्कूल जाके
और ये
देखा है.
जरूर होता
तो
है कि हर स्टेट के अपने डोमेस्टिक नुआंसेस होते हैं,
that's
जिसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क होता है. जैसे साउथ के अपने हैं, इसीलिए वो आपको नॉर्थ में आके बड़ी फ्रेश लगते हैं कि यार अच्छा ये कैसे
Yeah.
डिफरेंट भी लगते हैं.
Yeah.
ऐसे हो सकता है हमारे नुआंसेस साउथ में जाकर ट्रांसलेट होकर अच्छे लग सकते हैं. नॉर्थ में तो चलिए हमारी सारी सिस्टर स्टेट्स हैं, जितनी भी हैं, एक दूसरे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, लैंग्वेज की है एंड ऑल. एंड अबव ऑल मिस्टर विकास दिव्याकीर्ति G is in the climax,
Yeah.
so he is the very crowd pulling thing for the northern part of this nation. So that is also a cherry on cake somehow. I would rather reckon.
yes, yes, he is.
That's really interesting. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं मुझे. That makes me very curious about the film. I'll try to understand it, but in Punjabi. I'll try to do
आपको आ
that.
जाएगी
हाँ?
इतना. हाँ जी, आ जाएगी.
that's
थोड़ी
really
बहुत आती है ना, बहुत
थोड़ी बहुत तो
बस बस
थोड़ी
आ
बहुत तो
जाएगी.
I'll understand.
Yeah, it is.
जाएगी.
The
Punjabi I
people-
think is easier for us to
It's-
understand. So
हाँ जी.
These days, I was performing in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai,
Yeah.
and there were very domestic people, from those regions,
Yeah.
were attending the concerts and admiring also.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was very astonishing. So yeah, I think it will.
वैसे सतिंदर सरताज जी, म्यूजिक नोज नो बाउंड्री. ठीक है,
Exactly.
आपकी
Language
आपकी बट लैंग्वेज does sometimes I think, but we have gone beyond that now. That is why I was really curious to ask you that question. मुझे जानना है, was there anything funny at the sets? Because movie satirical, कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो?
She is fun herself. So the funniest thing.
Tell me something that stayed की बस हंसी कंट्रोल ही नहीं हो पा रही हो. The director is saying कि guys, what are you doing, man? How many cuts do you want me to take? Why can't you stop laughing? Was there any instance like
बीच
that?
बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा होता था कभी कभी.
हाँ.
हमारा रोज ही फन होता था honestly. मैं बहुत फनी हूँ.
So you said that you have taken couple of, decisions yourself while the movie was going on, the shoot was happening. Couple of input of yours was
Not couple of,
what?
just one.
अरे.
And that was denied in the beginning.
But were there any impromptu instances that you must have taken as a?
No, they
actor.
they are very. They somehow they admire me. I don't know, like the director and writer,
Yeah.
and they generally ask like, "Why do you think this is good? Should we go this and to this dimension, etc., etc." So I politely and to the lessest way, I said, "Oh yeah, we may." Particularly in this subject and film, I thought like let them drive this time and let's see.
Yeah.
And,
Let's go by the
and yeah. Director, writer, and producer, especially Manish Sani Saab. He
Producer especially.
He's also the producer.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
The-
that. Yeah.
But then producer
no,
especially.
I am not considering him
other
as
producer.
a producer,
Uh-huh.
but I think this film is his baby.
Yeah, he's
Above
put
all.
in
Like
a lot of.
he have done probably 300 films till date.
Yeah.
But this is the only film that he is involved this much. Like if the shooting is going till 3 a.m.,
He-
He's gonna
he's in
Yeah,
there.
he was
Yeah.
there. His daughter was there. They're
Yeah.
amazing team, amazing people.
Yeah. So,
That's really brilliant. I have my fingers crossed that the movie does well on box offices, but I'm not letting you go that easy. Last time, like पिछली बार की तरह
Did he
I
run
have
off?
a special. No.
Yeah.
I have a special request because last time मैंने आपसे उडारिया गवाया था. So this time I would want you to please sing
Which
Shayar ka very famous song that I just jammed with you on. पहला तेरे नैनो
अच्छा।
देखे देखिया तेनू ने।
Oh.
Yeah.
हाँ तेरे बिना ना गुजारा है, तेरे बिना ना गुजारा है, सजना दा सहारा है, सजना दा सहारा है, कि छेतियां के मिल सजना, छेतियां के मिल सजना, तेरे बिना ना गुजारा है, सजना दा सहारा।
Wow. Thank you so much and all the very best for Hoshiyar Singh. Aparna Rastu.
Yes.
Gee, wow,
I'm
wow,
gonna-
wow. We have a third person with us, sir.
Yes. Always.
Who is Sakshi for this?
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.